Okay? Isipin nyo ha, ang gagaling ha, doon pa lang talented na kayo. Ang gaganda ng steps na binitawan nyo, sabay-sabay kayo. Pero okay lang yan. Ha? Ayos ba? Ayos ba?
Yes!
Mga in-introduce lang sila. In-introduce lang. Introduction lang yun. Mamaya, 100% ibibigay na nila kanilang talento para sa inyo.
Siyempre,
Of course,
ano lang yun.
eto na. We're going to move on sa ating contest. Pero syempre, ibigay natin ang criteria for judging. Ngayon, syempre, malaman natin kung sino talaga ang deserving na tawaging OFW Got Talent Grand Winner sa Alcobar. O dito po sa ating lugar, dito sa Bahrain. Criteria for judging: technical ability, 20%, stage appearance and personality, 25%, creativity, originality, entertainment value, 15%, and overall performance, 30% in a total of 100%. Ngayon naman, kilala natin ang mga board of judges, the judges that who are not bored. Okay? Asa na yung ating listahan? Nandito na. Pwede po tayong tumayo para mapalakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 1 ay nagmula sa Santa Ana, Manila. Sino mga taga Manila rito? She completed her music degree at University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music. Teacher Needs is a passionately dedicated teacher of music with almost 20 years of experience. She teaches young children and adults how to play instruments like piano or violin. She is a music teacher in school and teaches one-on-one lessons for such instruments. Teacher Needs has outstanding records of experience as a music teacher. She started teaching piano at 15 years old, talaga. Do sa mga colleagues and friends in Metro Manila. Soon, after graduation, she taught in Colegio San Agustin, Poveda. She decided to go abroad to continue her career. Ayan, nakita yan. Present, she owns her very own music school, the Mi Adrasi Music School. Sa babanda yun dito, hanapin nyo ha, dito lang yan. Okay, she has continued nurturing her passion and dedication to music, serving as pianist and or violinist in Awali Church as a musical director for school concert and recital. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our judge number 1, Miss Nida Socorro. Good afternoon, Judge number 1, Ma'am Nida Socorro. Judge number 2, dentist by profession, OFW since 1993, Executive Director, Philpop Family Club, former Vice President for Cultural APSCOM, current Regional Director ng Eastern Tawag ng Tanghalan, ayan ha, KSA Kingdom, Wild Battle of Champion, June 14, ayan, 2024 at Jeddah. 2018 Bagong Bayani for Culture and Arts Awardee, given by Bagong Bayani Foundation under POEA and DOLE. 2018 Blast Diople para sa naging tatatanging Bagong Bayani Awardee, given by Bagong Bayani Foundation under po ng POA and DOLE also. 2014 Outstanding Migrant Worker, given by Paulo Eroa, Philippine Embassy at Riyadh. 2009 up to 2013, Middle Regional Director po ng Team Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the WCOPA, Los Angeles, California, US of A. Okay, 2014 to 2017, ang dami pinagdaanan ng taong ito, magaling. Talent Scout Team Philippines, WCOPA, Los Angeles, California, US of A. Voice and Stage Performance Coach, Philpop Family Club, former Voice Stage Performance Coach, Center for Pop Philippines, School Champion, 5th Metro Manila, 5th Student Pop Music Festival, and also Scholar Voice and Stage Performance Training at Center for Pop Music Philippines. Top 9, 5th Metro Manila Student Pop Festival held at Cultural Center of the Philippines. Former Grand Champion Fatima Yamaha Music Mate Provincial of Bulacan held at Fatima Valenzuela. And last but not least, a vocal coach and proud father of singer, actress Miss Kim Molina. Once again, judge number 2, Dr. Ronaldo E. Molina. Sir, you may come forward. Yan po ang special table para po sa inyo. And move on to our judge number 3. Is a Russian, Russian musician. Toko, humanda ka, may Russian tayo dito. Russian musician who has established an international career as she performed in several countries such as Portugal, Spain, South Korea, Morocco, and currently Bahrain. Her music style can be described a combination of classic pop, electronic dance music, and world music. Anna completed her studies at Conservatory of Music in Saratov, Russia, and received a diploma of music teaching, member of orchestra and solo performing. Wow! After graduating, she participated in Regional Philharmonic Symphony Orchestra in Spain. Really? Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, judge number 3, Miss Anna Nazimova. Good evening, Judge Anna. And of course, ang huli, eto Judge number 4, Captain Felix Asqui, fondly called, hails from the province of Banga Aklan. He also completed his bachelor degree in Associated Nautical Science at Philippine Merchant Agriculture School and has earned his master's degree at the International Academy of Management and Economics, okay, IAME. He is the current Vice President of the Associated Marine Officers and Seamen, or Seamen's Union of the Philippines, a duly registered non-profit business. Thank you very much, judges! Isang masigabang palakpakan sa ating mga judges. So, kita nyo naman, meron po tayong Russian na judge. Okay. And now, eto na. Sisimulan na natin. Okay? Tawagin na natin ang ating first contestant. Or, pwede na bang ipalabas muna ang ating AVP? Ready na ang ating AVP? Ready? Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, watch this.
Chow chow chi. Yan guys.
Alam niyo, nung sumali ako dito, kinakabahan pa ako pero kaya ko ibigay ang 100% na kakayahan ng talento.
Okay?
Walang sound eh. Siya na lang nagbigay ng sound.
Alright. O sige, huwag na natin patagalin to. Mas maganda. Kung halimbawa, kasi mauubos ang oras natin dito. Okay, kung antayin natin. To follow na lang po yung sounds. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, simulan na natin ito. Uunahin natin ang mga kababayan natin sa Alcobar. Tama? From Alcobar, contestant number 1, Patrice Garcia.
Ay, wala ka nabigay.